All right, guys, we got a 95 Camry. This is what it sounds like before it's straight pipe. Go ahead. As you guys can see, he's already got exhaust static sticker on it. It was a little bit too loud for him, too raspy. Again. Does it sound that so it's right at 120 on this V6 Camry. We're gonna make it quiet for him. We're gonna put him a NETAMI on it, spiral muffler to quieten it down a little bit. Guys, 1995 Toyota Camry. His old S box. He even has it on the front windshield. Is this project car just something fun to play with? So let me show you guys what we did on it. It's a V6 high flow catalytic converter. Somebody stole it, so we put him a high flow in its place right there a while back. Then we straight piped it. I let you guys hear it before. It was way too loud for him. So we put a NETAMI spiral muffler on it, or resonator right there. There'll be a link in the description for it. Part number somewhere. Part number 1017. They wrote it on the side for me. That was nice of them. There it is, NETAMI Performance. Part number 1017. There'll be a link in the description for it. Then 2 1/4 pipe out the back all the way into a stainless steel tip. Double wall. Because you know, why not? So there it is. So let's see how much difference in sound it made. And there's the piece of pipe we cut off right there. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. And like always, like, comment, hit that subscribe. I love his stickers, guys. Especially ours. We love that. And then not fast, just loud. We made it a little bit quieter now. 0 to 60 everything. Eventually, sorry. And then slow as heck. That's cool. Yeah, it's a lot better. Still loud, but not as loud. Wow, still loud. That's crazy. Your sound decibels. Right at 109 instead of 120. So it dropped in 10 decibels. He's peaking, you know, so. Dropped it down 10 decibels. It's not bad. Even in the rain, guys, I get you videos. What more do you want? Yeah, it's a lot cleaner. It needed that. Still sounds good, but not crazy. Let you guys hear it on the inside.
It's a Toyota Camry with a NETAMI spiral muffler.